Request all of you to please line up. That's massive airtime for Ayman there. The classic. If you finish your run, if you not finish your run, please report. Once again, requesting all the drivers of Gypsy and Gypsy Cross, Ladies Cross,
ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು.
from the edge, popping it into the next gear, trying to get maximum traction out of the corners in slow sections. Almost in the corners, but clearly very, very clean driving from the four-wheel drive. Good traction on the exit. Is he going to go flat out to there? Yes.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಸೌಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ವೀಲ್ಗೆ ರೈಟ್ಗೆ ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಸ್ಪೀಡಾಗಿ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಿದೆ.
Is he going to go flat out through the dip? We'll never know till he does so. Yes, he is definitely flat through there.
ಇಲ್ಲೇ 2:50 ಆಯಿತು, 3 ನಿಮಿಷ. 2:55 ಆಮೇಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಇದು ರೆಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು ಅಂತ. ಜಾರ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Very quick, almost drove the car at a really good pace on the Pagoda. Into the direction, slightly off the pace. Oh my God, he's gone completely off the line. Quickly brings it back into the dip. There he is. Rakshit Iyer, quick save from him, not losing too much time. And here he comes into the final corner.
ಗಾಡಿ
We're looking at Moin Pasha, ladies and gentlemen. This is Moin Pasha from Ideal Racing, driving the white
ಒಬ್ಬ ನೋಡದೆ ಹೋಗಿದ ಒಬ್ಬ ತಿರ್ಗಬೇಕಲ್ಲ.
ನೋಡಿ ಇವ್ರುಗಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟು ದುಡ್ಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಗಾಳಿ ಬಂದು ಬೇಗ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಒಬ್ಬ ಪಾಪ ಒಂದು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹಂಗೆ ಓದ್ಬಿಡೋಣ.
ಇದೆ ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಮತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಬಲ್ಟಿ ಗಾಡಿ ನಿಂತಿದೆ. ಇದು just miss.
The inside line, almost rolls the car but quickly recovers. Some airtime, gets the tail up in the air. And